Hello guys, beautiful people. This is Unique. First, I want to say thank you to all subscribers. The one who's subscribing to my channel. Thank you all. And today we're gonna be discussing how you budget your money, or instead, how do I budget my money? I'm talking about the monthly budgeting. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay. And if this is your first time to my channel, please considering it to like my video. This video we're gonna be discussing about budgeting money. Considering it to like it and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, so that way when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And we'll see. And let's dive into it. I'm gonna share with you guys my screen. Okay, and here we go. How do I do the monthly budgeting? The first thing I do is to sort my bills. Okay, whether it's car payment, credit cards, car insurance, um, of course the monthly rent, the mortgage. Oh, I live in apartments, like apartment rent, okay, stuff like that. Um, so I already calculated how much monthly that I need to pay them, the monthly on each individual bills. So I already that calculated in my brain, so I already know. And I sort them out, you know, like this, for instance, okay. And I put the date on it, the due date bills, put a date on it, and the amount, how much I need to pay, and I put them in an organizer, you know, in order by due dates. That's how I do mine. Okay, so I put the dates on it. That's the due date. And or if you want also, if you're the high-tech person, you know, you could also do it in Excel. You created a budget in Excel. You know, you could just basically state it, what's need to pay, your net income plus net income minus your bills, okay? But I usually do it in Excel. I'm just showing you because some people still doing the manual work like this, you know, putting the due date on the envelope, you know, and put them in order by the dates. Some people are still doing the old ways, but I'm on Excel. I put them in Excel or Excel or this right here. Okay, so you have your choice what you want to do. If you're a high-tech person, you want to do more like putting in Excel or other applications or this, that's up to you. Okay, so after I sort my bills, I would basically know what's my net income. Okay, and minus the bills. Let's say your bills, it just an example, your bills, let's say it's $800 or 1,200 monthly, so you minus that to your net income. Okay, that's only an example that I'm giving to you. So whatever left money that you had, you just have to budget it, okay, like a monthly budget. So you had to know how much money you coming in every month. It's coming on your in your how much money you're receiving monthly, okay, and you have to track your spending and make a plans, set your goals, adjust your habits if necessary, and keep checking, checking how much money you have left, your balance, stuff like that. And um, you're just gonna have to stick to your budget. Okay, you must stick to it. Okay, you only, if you're on a budget, you only need to buy what you need. Okay, not what you want. Okay, so just keep that in your mind. Only what you need that you need to buy. Okay, not what you wanted. So that's how, personally, that's how I budget my money. Okay. So whatever left, let's say 10%, 5%, if your monthly income, you could put that on your savings after you pay your bills. Okay. Um, or you can also have the $5 challenge, they call. Like every time you see a $5 in your bills, on your dollar bills, you put them away. You set them aside, or you put them in a bag. That's up to you how you do it. Okay. So at the end of the year, you don't know how much that will be. Okay. You could use that for your emergency fund, as emergency fund, or a fund, or a vacation fund. A vacation fund, where you want to go to take a vacation, you could spend that money. Okay. And so as you can see, like I said, my screen is I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay. So this is the first thing I do. I sort my bills, put them in order by due dates, note your net income, you know how much money you have coming in, okay? And you can basically see it right here, okay? And like I said, you must stick with your budget, okay? You only need to buy what you need, not what you want, okay? Now, if you have extra, that is the different story, okay? Don't buy anything that you don't need, okay? Only what you needed, that's what you to buy. Now it's different. If you have an extra money, you could buy, you could go shopping, okay? But what I do though, when I get paid, like, as you guys know, that after you receiving your check, you always gotta pay your bills, right? Everybody does that. So, but to me, I'm paying myself too as well. Okay. After paying my bills, I have to treat myself. And that's how I pay myself. Because you pay everybody. You pay your bills, but you're not paying yourself for working hard. So you gotta treat yourself. Okay, that's how I treat myself. Whether it's like just to get a small thing, like maybe you want to go to Victoria's Secret, just grab something there. That's my treat for myself. Or you want to eat some seafood, go to the nice restaurant. That's how I treat myself. I gotta pay myself too for working hard, not just paying my bills. Okay, so I have a little bit share of it. Okay, that's how I manage my money. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys also, as you can see. Let me see here. I have written down also, or type it down, the payday, like let's say 7/03/20, 7/17/20, 7/31/2020. Those are the date when I get paid, like every 2 weeks. Okay, but I already know how much I'm getting. So let's say you getting, this is only an example, $3,000, right? For example, and $3,000. Let me see. So minus your bills. Bills, let's say your bills is like total of 1,500 minus 1,500 minus 1,500. Okay, that's an all-in example. Okay, or your bills may be 1,200 a month. So we are all different. So I don't know about your bills, but maybe your bills is higher. Okay, this is only for like a single person like me. So yeah, and it's different. But that's how I manage my monthly budgeting. I gotta stick on my plan. I gotta stick on um, my budget. Okay, I only buy what I need, what I want, not what I want. Okay, but it's different now if you have extra money, so you buy more what you want. Okay, but if you're on a budget, this is how you do it. Okay, but first treat yourself too as well. Okay, you're paying all your bills, but you're not paying yourself for working hard. I think that is not right. So I'm just so used to it, treating myself, paying myself to work hard, That's how I do mine. So, and also do the $5 challenge. Like, it doesn't matter how much, it could be $10 challenge. And you put that set aside, the end of the year. You don't know that's gonna come out to, whatever amount, and you take that as your emergency fund or vacation fund, or the road trip. You want to go to like just locally, you want to go road trips, somewhere you could use that money, So that's how I budget the money. So if you guys have any questions, just comment below. If you have any comments, something you want to find out, something you want to know, just leave a message, okay? And I'm gonna do more of this budgeting, so you're still gonna see this in the future. I'm gonna have to create more video about budgeting. There's more to it. So this is only like a short video for beginners, how you budget your monthly income. This is how I do mine. This is my way of budgeting, and I made it. So, and I hope you guys too, So if you have any questions, comments, you guys are welcome to comments below. And please considering to like, or if you like what you see, like, and considering to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So when I uploaded a new video, you will be notified. Okay, and that would be it. And thank you. And everybody have a blessed day and be safe. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye.